how to change your location on Eharmony. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can change your location on Eharmony. So let's start. First of all, open Eharmony and log into your account. The process is easier while using the website version of the platform. So I'll be using the website version. As you log into your Eharmony account from the website, you'll come to the home section like this. Now in order to change your location, tap on the three lines on the top left. After that, go to data and settings. Then after, tap on personal data. Under personal data, you will find details of your name and address. On the right side of it, you will find this pencil like edit option. Tap on it. Then as you continue editing your details, you can change your location by changing your country. So tap on the drop down menu under the country section. Then after, choose the new location that you want to set. As you change the country, you will have to enter the postcode of the new location as well as the other details. After you do that, simply tap on save and the changes will be saved. After that, you will find profiles of people around your new area. So in this way, you can easily change location on Eharmony. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.